So yeah, I got everything jacked up, all the wheel is off and everything. So I'm going to have a look on the exhaust system and see what I can do. Yeah, we'll get under there now. So yeah, before you guys say, oh, safety this, safety that, 2 jack stands, 1 trolley jack. What else do you need? But yeah, and I've done this many times, so I know what I'm doing. I don't know, you guys can tell me. But yeah, just gonna get under there and see if I can spot another leak, because there is one in the midsection. So yeah, but I think I can hear something from the front, so we'll see. Might be close to the mic. But first we're gonna put some petroleum in the car because it might be empty. I mean, it's the reserve light is on. Right, took ages, but we on. So now, where my keys at? Oh, might be in my pocket. Yeah, my bad. But yeah, so I'm going to start the car. So I'm gonna start the car now. I'm gonna start the engine and then try and see where the leak is underneath the car. You can definitely hear it. So yeah, as you guys could see on that video, that was one of them. So I'm going to address that one now. Just going to shut off the engine. Let me just open this window. I mean, I've got spare keys, but you never know. There we go. Before the engine warms up, and then I'll be burning myself. Ooh, look at that trim. Fresh. Anyway, that's not the point. The point is, I'm gonna get some products, some, I don't know, exhaust paste, and see if I can isolate it better. Yeah, I've got some exhaust assembly paste. This will do for now. And I've got some gum as well there, which is for the exhaust. Might use that one. Other than here, there is another one there as well. That's why it's leaking on the ground. But yeah, we'll go one by one. As you can see right there, okay, right here, it's where it's black. That's where the fumes are escaping. I have put lots of paste. That will do for now. Gotta let it dry and then, yeah, leave it for a day. There you go. Alright, so while it dries, I'm going to do something else. I'm going to check the rear number plate bulb, this one, which needs replacing. So yeah, I'm just gonna remove it. That's blown. Right, let me see if I can find one in my garage, because I don't know if I've got these ones still. So it should be somewhere here. Ooh, there we go. In my it's in my bag of fuses. Yes. I believe I've got everything in my garage. That's a good thing. But yeah, I can just replace this one and we go. There you go, success. We got it, yes. Now I'm just gonna start the car and see. I mean, try and listen for. Ooh. revs. That's much better. Here on the board, dead battery, tick, exhaust, yep, 222, number plate pull, yep, that's it. Now we move on.